This campaign is sure on a roll, isn't it? And we've got to win. We've got to win at this, because if we don't, then I'm going to have to take the hold my breath challenge that was mentioned. I don't want to do that. So when I saw this campaign was happening again this week, and so I've started today, and then a group of young people from around Toronto are participating. And I was excited, and I thought, okay, well, this is something I've got to try. And this new organization, which I direct, called Food Forward, I thought, well, maybe we can get more people involved and challenge others to do it, and educate a whole number of new people that wouldn't have known. So I talked to a friend about it, my friend Connie, who has lived on social assistance for quite a while, and she had an idea of why don't we switch diets. So I've got a bit of a tweak on it, where I'm giving her the fresh food that I normally eat, while I'm eating the regular challenge. And so we're starting today. I've had some of the crappy food that's the processed food that I've got, and it's been quite interesting. Learned a lot already. What Connie and I believe is that people have a right to fresh foods, and people have a right to healthy foods that aren't processed. And if we can get to this, if we can get people having healthy food, we can solve a lot of problems with health. And we can maybe we can even help some of the local farmers and help fix the food system. But the key is working together. And the key is mobilizing, as was said before. If we work together, we can do it. We can't fail. And I stand with the youth that are around the province and around the city, over 100 youth this week doing the challenge. And I'm really excited to be part of it. And I hope you get involved and write and talk to us. We'll be blogging, we're commenting this week. So share the message, let's get it out in the media even further and get it out to our politicians. Thank you very much.
I'm going to talk about the Common Campaign Coalition, and it is a success story. Basically, the Common Campaign Coalition is a group of community members who wanted to make poverty reduction a priority for the municipal election. And the group is very diverse. People, staff from agencies like myself, people with lived experience, members of community groups, just independent community activists. We all work together to develop a common campaign for poverty reduction. We focus our demands on 3 key areas. First one was making Hamilton a living wage community. Second one was making improvements to rent supplement program to promote affordable housing in Hamilton. And the third one was it involved making sure that there would be affordable and accessible transit for all Hamiltonians. And we achieved a lot of success. And I have to admit that I was discouraged pretty early on. You know, reading the newspaper articles about the municipal election, there's a lot of focus on you know, reducing taxes, job creation, improving roads, like things not, you know, totally related to poverty, but things turned around about a couple weeks before the election. We noticed newspaper articles featuring poverty as one of the top election issues, and there were actually independent polls done of Hamiltonians indicating that there was one poll that said 80% of the people polled supported raising taxes, spending more tax money on poverty, and this was front page headlines. So this was a big deal. The campaign, we feel we were part of it. The campaign was really aggressive in getting the word out. We had brochures, we had backgrounders, we had a website. The members actually also went and met with people from other organizations and other individuals to get endorsements. And most importantly, we approached every single candidate for city council and every mayoral candidate, and we asked them to endorse our campaign. And I mean, the big achievement is that the mayor-elect endorsed it, and also 10 out of 15 elected council members endorsed it as well. And we also participated in public forums, for example, a forum about the living wage. There was also newspaper coverage, radio coverage. There was, we attended mayoral debates, all candidates debates, at every meeting, we're asking questions of the candidates, asking them, do they support this campaign? So now we're going to be following up with them. We're going to be meeting with every elected official and ask them how they're going to meet this commitment that they've made. Well, at least the ones that did commit to it, I mean, especially the mayor. So we're really excited about that. And the next step is to use what we've learned from this campaign towards the provincial election. And, for sure, this healthy food allowance will be part of that. So I think that's all that I need to tell you about. But we're very happy about the way the campaign has raised awareness about poverty in Hamilton.
This challenge has opened my eyes because in my 65 years, I've walked around with them closed. How do you walk around for 65 years with your eyes closed? You turn the other way. You make believe that these things aren't happening in our home. After the 5-day challenge, my wife and I became ill, and I know another family, Christine Way Skinner and her family, you saw a picture of them. They all became ill. Why did they become ill? Has anybody got an answer for me? Because there wasn't a darn thing on that diet that was healthy. You think eating a cheese sandwich and Kraft dinner in one day is healthy? No. Now I know I'm preaching to the converted. But we have to take our voices, take them out of this room, and stand on the tallest building that we can see and say, we're hungry. There are people in this province that are hungry. Let's do something about it. Thank you.